Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's see what's coming up for love now. What is it that my lions and lionesses need to know, Spirit? Angel Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for my Leo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Leo, as always, we're going to start with a angel blessing card to top the reading. Let's see how my angels will bless you, and then we'll start your reading. Blessing or an advice or a message for my Leo gang spirit. Blessing as advice or a message card for my lions and lionesses. This one, all right. Let's put the rest back, Leo. So the card I have here for you, Leo, is Blessings of Abundance. That is a beautiful card to get. Abundance doesn't just mean money, Leo. Abundance is when you have it all. You have love, you have relationship abundance, you have mental, physical, spiritual, financial, creative, all kinds of things, and then you have abundance. So I think you're going to be abundantly blessed for love as well. Let's see what's going on. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your support to the channel, your donations, your comments, your likes. I'm very, very grateful and very blessed. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is going to be a small little love bite, just a 9-card spread to check how you guys are doing and if there's any message that you need to hear. That reminds me, on popular demand, we will be doing dialogue messages for the love bites as well. And yes, Leo, I'm trying to stay on a schedule because some of you have reached out and asked me to give you days when I'll be posting your videos. I'm trying to stay on schedule now and post fire signs every Monday for your in-depth readings and Fridays for the love bites. So you won't have to keep checking up or wondering when the next post is going to be. Bottom of my deck, I do have the Queen of Pentacles. Now this is somebody who is fabulous, right? So Leo, this could be you. Somebody is looking at you as if this is you, or this could be somebody masculines. This could be somebody you have an eye on. This is the beautiful, kind, loving, nurturing, very financially stable, can not just look after themselves, but also everyone around them. This is like the perfect spouse. So either lions, you have your eye on somebody like this, or feminines, this could be you yourself. This is like, this is commitment and marriage material. And see what I had under the deck after this. I have the King of Pentacles. So this is like a potential for a true match here, Leo. Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Hierophant card. So yes, blessings of abundance. Let's start with a few dialogue messages to see if you wanted to say something or your partner wanted to say something to you, what that would be, Leo, now. Spirit, what would they like to say to each other if they could? One more. Okay. Let's take 2 more from another deck. Leo and their partner, Spirit. Thank you. So the first card here, Leo, that I have for you says, nothing and no one can compare to you. My heart aches for you. You are the love of my life. Doesn't that go so beautifully with the cards I just showed you? Nothing and no one compares to you. My heart aches for you. You are the love of my life. Okay, that's sweet. Second card says, I feel like I've been fighting for your I feel like I've been fighting for your life for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be in your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. So somebody is really wanting to bring out the best in their partner. Maybe one partner has been through a turbulent time with their past or a past relationship, and the other partner saying, I'm trying to keep that fire lit so that you don't give up on your dreams. I want you to, fly high and free from anything that's holding you back. So this is a very, very nice reciprocal feeling that I'm getting from this couple, whoever this is. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. Beautiful messages, Leo. Who is this? There's a lot of support which is being shown from one to another. I'm at breaking point right now because you apologize, however you continue to make the same mistakes. This is becoming a toxic behavior that needs addressing if you want this relationship to work. So even though I think there's a lot of love, one person is feeling it big time, the other person is maybe not reciprocating with the same intensity right now because something is holding them back. Maybe, like I said, some past hurts or some memories of their own, maybe toxic past, which is holding them back. So the other one saying that you always say you'll do something, but you're not doing it, even though I'm so attracted to you and I'm still holding strong that I'm not going to give up on this because nobody else compares to you. I'm willing to be there to help you along your journey. Beautiful cards. So let's see. 6 of Pentacles, first card. Balanced, equal give and take here. 5 of Wands, the World, Ace of Pentacles, 4 of Cups, the Moon, 10 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, and the 10 of Cups. So at a glance, Leo, what I feel here is that I think one or both people here have had relationship problems in the past. But that's come to an end now. Maybe there was an expectation of equal give and take which never happened. There was conflicts and now something has really come to an end here, Leo. And there is a brand new beginning which somebody is desiring, one or both people. But the other person maybe still be sad and still feel not accepting the offer that readily because they're still reeling under the shock of this past pain that they're still going through. So things are still kind of a little overwhelming right now. Things are still hidden. Things are still not balanced. Secrets are being kept. Maybe one partner is not opening up. Even though I think one partner here, okay, let me show you this. Let me show you this way now. This is very, very interesting. Somebody here wants an equal partnership. They want equal give and take. They want a brand new beginning with their person. They want to take this to a new level where you guys can be happily, in union, and one partner sees the other as having the potential of having long term. 10 of Pentacles is like my forever card that we're going to live and die together types. Okay? But the other partner, I think, is still suffering from the aftermath of some conflict in their fight in their life, maybe with a previous partner, which has left them to be a little unwilling to accept new offers at the moment. So this is still sitting in a bit of sadness, still sitting in a bit of regret, not open to maybe accepting any new offer, still kind of holding back. Okay? I'm sorry about the noise outside, Leo. Suddenly started some construction going on. I hope you can still hear me. So the other partners, I think, holding back a little bit. But all that is going to come to an end. The old past is going to be over soon, Leo. New beginnings are on the horizon. Yes, things are still kind of a little bit in the dark. Maybe you guys haven't really spoken to each other. There's secrets you feel the one partner is keeping from the other one. Things are not in the open. There's a lot of wishing, hoping going on. But this does have the potential for the 10 of Cups. whatever this is has the potential of the Ten of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles. But I do see here, Leo, one partner is ready, the other partner is still a bit conflicted and sitting in their sadness and still holding back a little bit, not willing to accept because of whatever's happened with them. Okay, so yes, this has a potential of the Ten of Pentacles with the Queen of Pentacles, Hierophant, the King of Pentacles. Beautiful cards. If this goes right, Leo, this can really be there for long term. Lots of wish fulfillment to be had. Okay, so we'll see how it goes week by week, Leo. Anything else, Spirit, that anything else that needs to be said here? There is a potential of this brand new beginning, Leo. So don't give up that easy. There is a blessing of abundance coming to you. So don't give up on this. Whatever this new thing is that you feel a very strong attachment to, you're drawn towards this, right? So just keep at it, even though the other partner may not be that sure and is still kind of trying to make decisions. Keep at it. It's going to do really well. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Leo. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.